Kids channel.
Hello kids and parents. Welcome to Innovative Kids channel. Join us today to explore fun travel conversations, helping your little ones learn English and discover the world.
Hi. Have you ever been on a plane?
Yes, I have. Have you? What's the longest trip you have taken?
I went to Australia for 2 weeks. Do you like trains or buses more?
I like trains. What about you? Have you ever stayed in a hotel?
Yes, I have. It was so fun. Do you bring snacks when you travel?
Always. Do you? What's your favorite country to visit?
I love visiting Japan. Have you ever traveled by boat?
Yes, I went on a ferry last summer. Do you take lots of pictures when you travel?
Yes, I love taking pictures. Have you ever seen a famous landmark?
Yes, I saw the Eiffel Tower. Do you like road trips?
I love them. Do you? What's your favorite thing to do when you travel?
I like exploring new places. Do you collect souvenirs from your trips?
Yes, I have a lot of them. Have you ever traveled in a different season?
Yes, I went to the mountains in winter. Do you like visiting the beach?
Yes, it is my favorite. What's the most exciting place you have been to?
I went to a big amusement park. Have you ever been on a long flight?
Yes, it was over 10 hours. Do you prefer warm or cold places to visit?
Yes, I like warm places. Have you ever traveled with your family?
Yes, we always go together. Do you like trying new foods when you travel?
Yes, I love tasting new dishes. What is the farthest place you have traveled to?
I went to South America. Have you ever been on a road trip with friends?
Yes, it was so much fun. Do you like visiting big cities?
Yes, they are so exciting. Have you ever visited a museum while traveling?
Yes, I learned so much. Do you like flying or driving more?
I like flying. What's your favorite travel memory?
Seeing the Grand Canyon. Do you like to travel light or bring lots of stuff?
I travel light. Have you ever visited another continent?
Yes, I went to Europe. Do you like to plan your trips or be spontaneous?
I like to plan. What's the first thing you do when you arrive at a new place?
I explore the area. Have you ever taken a train at night?
Yes, it was so cool. Do you like visiting theme parks when you travel?
Yes, I love the rides. Have you ever visited a famous building?
Yes, I saw the Taj Mahal. Do you like to travel during holidays?
Yes, it's the best time. What's your favorite travel activity?
I love hiking. Have you ever been on a cruise?
No, but I really want to. Do you like to travel by yourself?
I prefer going with others. Have you ever seen a waterfall on a trip?
Yes, it was beautiful. Do you like visiting historical places?
Yes, they are so interesting. Have you ever visited a national park?
Yes, I loved it. Do you like to travel by plane or car?
I like both, but planes are faster. What's the best meal you've had while traveling?
I had amazing sushi in Japan. Do you enjoy exploring new cultures when you travel?
Yes, it's so fascinating. Have you ever traveled during a festival?
Yes, it was so much fun. Do you like taking road trips or flights?
I like road trips more. Have you ever met new friends while traveling?
Yes, I made friends from all over the world. What's your favorite way to travel?
I love flying. Have you ever seen snow on a trip?
Yes, it was magical.
Thanks for watching. For watching more kids educational videos, subscribe Innovative Kids channel.